In today's video, I'm going to talk about this CPI data month per month and year per year data that's going to be released today. So watch this video to the end so that you know how to combine this with your technical analysis. And we'll also talk about the DXY and what you should pay attention to from this level where the market is right now and what you should be expecting, and also on this very GBP USD. If you are new to this channel, please help subscribe to this channel, hit that like button, and don't forget to turn on the bell notification for more updates like this every single day. Also check the channel for all that educational content. Also subscribe to this very crypto channel right here, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell. So on this very price chart of this very DXY, the market is right now at this very level of support. But one interesting thing is we are going to be expecting this data to be released today. The month by month and the year per year CPI data is going to be released today. But if you look at the values right here, if you look at this very area, we have the previous, which was 0.4%, and the forecast is 0.6%, and this is for the month per month, and the year per year right here is 8.2%, and the forecast, that is what the Federal Reserve is expecting and the economy is expecting right here, is 7.9% at this very area. But if you look at the chart, that's a graph right here, if you open it for the month per month, if you look at this very area, you see from previous chart and previous prediction right here, you see when this yellow line is the forecast, but the actual is always higher than the forecast if you look at it on a general statistic from this very graph right here. And the same thing right now on the CPI data for the year per year. If you look at it, the market always go a little bit higher from where it is forecasted. So what are we paying attention to today? In my own opinion, if this very data have a little bit of higher number, let's say for example this forecast is 7.9% for the year per year, and which is the most important one right here, guys, and this very one is 0.6, which is also very important. If you have a little bit of higher number, which let's say for example higher than expected, that is maybe 9.2% or 8.3 or 5%, and this come out to be like 0.7, 0.8%, we are going to see a little spike in the dollar. That means a little strength in the dollar. Look at this very area on the DXY. Right now, this is a very strong support on the DXY, and that also means that the market is waiting for the CPI data to be released. That also means that if this market breaks out of this very zone, then we're going to see the market move back down after this data, and this will also mean a weak dollar. And also if we see the market from here move to the upside, that will signify a strong dollars. And right now, since the market is at this very area, if you look at it, this is a resistance, we have support right here, we have support right here, we have support right here, owing to the fact that the market has already priced in right now, and we are waiting for this CPI data to be released. I am expecting the market to move a little bit to the upside for the dollars, guys, because the market has already priced in prior to this data that will be released today. And what you should be expecting is the market moving a little bit in favor of the dollar, then it will come back down. So this is my expectation. I don't know about you, what you're expecting, because this will actually impact on the market, both for crypto and for this very GBP USD and other USD pair in the forex market. So what are we expecting in the market, owing to the fact that we are expecting the market to move a little bit in favor of the dollar and then come back right down for this very area on GBP USD. Like I said, I am still expecting the market to still come back down into this very target that I talk about, and I'll be talking about this on this very pair GBP USD. And if you take this trade, you should be in profit right now with about 66 to 64 pips in profit at this very area. So I am still expecting the market to move right down on this very pair. And if this market, pay attention, if this market move into this very area prior to the CPI data release, then at the data release where the market is going to react to it, then we're going to expect the market to start moving to the upside. Remember, I said market is going to move to the upside a little bit. Sorry for that. I said market is going to move a little bit to the upside from this very area, then we're going to see the market come back right down to the value I talk about with this month by month and year by year CPI data. And in the crypto market, look at this very area. I am expecting this market to also, come back right down a little bit prior to the CPI data, because the market has already priced in. Market can move a little bit just like it's moving right now, and then come back down a little bit, and then after the data release, we'll see the market begin to move back to the upside. So this is what you should be paying attention to right now, guys, because this data is going to impact on the market greatly, especially this year by year CPI data release, and also related to the dollar index, that's the DXY. So what do you think about the market right now on crypto? This is BTC USDT. Do you think before the news release, market is going to start moving to the upside up to this area of 19K? And on the GBP USD, do you think the market is going to from here start moving to the upside in favor of GBP, or we're going to see this market play out as I am talking about right now? Comment below in the comment section of this video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit that like button and turn on the bell notification. Thank you for watching today's video, and I will see you in the next video.